Hello everyone. Let's talk about commercial accounting skills today, which is one of the 5 professional skills that ACCA SBL will test you. What does it mean by commercial accounting? As far as I understand, commercial accounting comes with questions something like the questions that test your knowledge. It's like they ask you to explain something which is within the syllabus. For example, they ask you to explain about boundary criteria, how a company can apply boundary criteria. They ask you to explain about the rationale of integrated reporting, for example. So all these kind of questions that you need to apply your knowledge usually come with commercial accounting skills, but not only this kind of question. Not only this kind of question that will test you commercial accounting skills, but there are other types of question. For example, in a way that when there's a requirement, you have to you have to apply your knowledge, and then apply it to the case study situation. Because commercial accounting, other than testing your knowledge, they also test you whether you are able to apply your knowledge which is suitable to the case study scenario. It means, like, for example, they may ask you to talk about the benefits of integrated reporting to the company. So when you talk about the benefits of integrated reporting, it's not the general answer only that you are going to tell, but on how the benefit actually help the company in the situation given in the case study. That is what ACCA like to see, among the candidates, whether you are able to use your idea to apply in the situation. And this also tests whether you understand the situation well or not. Right? So that is commercial accounting. It will usually come with the questions again. It will usually come with questions that will test you on your knowledge or applying your knowledge to the case study scenario. So usually it will be like, another example will be like, explain or analyze how e-marketing can help the company. Right? So that is another example. So in terms of commercial accounting, right, what the examiner want to see, very obvious, they want to see whether you understand the case study well or not, especially the information in the exhibits. They want to see whether whether you read the exhibits carefully, whether you are able to capture the main points from the exhibits, and then whether you are able to use it in your answer. So not only the pre-seen materials, not only the pre-seen materials that you are looking at only, but then it's also on the exhibits, especially on the exhibits, the information on the exhibits that you are going to use and apply in your answer. Right? So that's what your examiner want to see. So how are you supposed to exercise commercial accounting skills? You must make sure you don't only write your general answer, even though you have memorized it very well. So you don't write whatever you memorize only. You have to analyze one by one. Whatever that you have memorized, is it suitable in the case study? Can I actually apply it to the case study? Is there any contradiction between what happened in the case with what you have memorized? If there's a contradiction and you are not so sure whether you can apply or not, better don't apply it. Right? So that is how I see it. Another technique is, perhaps when you write answer, right, try to use the situation or try to find the answer from the situation. It means try to find the answer from exhibits instead of using only your general knowledge. I'm not saying that whatever you memorize you cannot use, but finding answer from the exhibits, ensure you really understand the situation and really use the information from the exhibits to answer your question. Right? So that is a safe way of making sure that you actually apply to the case study. Yeah. So all these techniques can be trained. With multiple practice and with the guidance of tutor. Right? So that is about commercial accounting.